Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Skin Charm Studio. Today I'm going to do a makeup look without using any foundation. Also, I'm going to show you a beautiful eye makeup look which is quite easy to achieve. Always make sure that your face is moisturized and hydrated before you do any kind of makeup on your face. So first I'm going to conceal my eyes a little bit because I have dark under eyes. So first I'm going to color correct my eyes using a peach color corrector. Now I'm going to lightly conceal my face. Now, without using any liquid foundation, I'm going to use a powder foundation. Now, for my eyes, I'm going to use a very basic shade, a base shade, which is this one. You can use any base shade of your choice. Make sure you tap out the extra and slightly apply it on your eyelid. This way you are also contouring your eyes a little. Now to add a little glam to this eye look, I'm going to add a shimmery shade on top of my eyelid. Okay. Use any kajal pencil of your choice and line your lower waterline. Need not be perfect because you'll be blending it anyway. Now using a brush, I'm going to spread this out. Many complain about their kajal spreading to other areas, right? So to avoid that, there's a trick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a dark brown shade like this, and I'm going to overlay it. Kajal is not going to budge or bleed. Now to complete this eye look, mascara is very essential. For my eyebrows, I'm not going to draw my eyebrows, I'm only going to use an eyebrow gel. add a tinge of highlighter. Now for my lips, I'm going to keep it very basic. I'm going to use a nude lipstick. First, fill it up with a nude lip shade so that there is no question of discoloration of any sort. I'm going to line my lips using a dark brown lip liner. I'm using a nude brown lip shade. This look is pretty easy to achieve. It just took me around 15 to 20 minutes to achieve this, and hope you like it. And please try this at home and let me know how it went for you. If you like my videos, please do support me by subscribing to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Until we meet again, it is bye from me.
Damn.